You know, one of the most popular chicken dishes here in America is the classic Italian chicken parmesan. My family and friends, they go crazy for this dish. So I thought I would share the recipe for you. Let's get started. This is really a simple dish, folks. We're going to take 2 chicken breasts, wash, clean them, and we're going to put them right here on a little plastic that I have. Fold it over. And what we want to do is we're just going to want to pound the chicken a little bit just to get a sort of an even surface. Now, once that happens, very simple. We're going to go into some flour. It's going to be seasoned with a little bit of my essence. Oh, perfect. Going to season the chicken with a little essence. And then the first step is to go right into the flour, which is called dredging. Now, clean our little hands here. And then we're going to add a little bit more essence on that side of the chicken. I've got 1 egg and breadcrumbs. This is a classic breading, no matter what you want to bread, from mushrooms to chicken to beef. Now watch. We dredge it, and in the egg it goes, and in the breadcrumbs. Look at that. Beautiful. So, from the flour to the egg, and right into the breadcrumbs. Now, from there, it's quite simple. We're going to set our pan on about medium heat. A little olive oil in the skillet. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take our breaded chicken and we begin to fry them. You know, the other classic, too, is doing the same thing with veal. The heat is on, and we begin to start sauteing them. I've got a little tomato sauce, and I also have 2 cheeses. I have a little mozzarella, and I have a little Parmesan. Parmigiano-Reggiano. Delicious. And now what we're going to do is turn. Look at how beautiful that is. See that? Set the oven on, about 350 degrees. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take the chicken. We're going to add a little bit of the sauce on top. And then what we're going to do is we're first going to put a little mozzarella. Little Parmesan. And into the oven it goes, 350, for about 12 to 14 minutes. That chicken really cooks through, and the cheese melts and gets absolutely just gooey and, so delicious. Now, how I serve this is simply with a little sauce on the plate. Oh, look at that. Just a little sauce on the plate. And then we bring our chicken Parmesan right to the table. Oh. Now, I love serving my chicken Parmesan with pasta. Doesn't that look delicious? I mean, you want to just dig right in there, right? Especially for dinner tonight. Your family will love this. And as always, I thank you for watching.